Okay, hello guys. Yes, hope all are doing great and hope all are got your PGCET results as expected. Yes, there are certain queries for many people out there regarding you did not get your results or there is a mismatch in the marks which has been counted as per your answer key whatever you got, and the grace marks and how is the rank calculated, because for a similar rank we are having multiple different options and many more. Like, still many people are confused whether I am eligible for the counseling or what I should do, which college to choose has been the talk of the town. So like, I am here to clarify all these things to you people and make sure that you get it clarified wonderfully well. Okay, so let's get started into the issue. First of all, now, firstly, your PGCD results came out and many people have got their ranks, and still a lot of people have not got their ranks. The reason being some or the other documents wasn't uploaded properly, or even if it was uploaded, it hasn't been received by the KEA. So they had asked the people to come down to the KEA and submit a form along with the documents on the marks card, whatever they have. So post that they will be giving an on spot result, means you will be getting the result within a day's time and it will be reflected on the portal again. So this is first part. So now the next query is, sir, I am somewhere out of Bangalore, so it is not possible for me to travel all the way long to Bangalore. So they are asking us to wait for a couple of days and by Thursday it should be out. So that is what they have promised, and still we need to just rely on the words whatever they have said. We do not have clarity on that particular aspect. The next important thing is, sir, I had got more marks compared to whatever I have got the result for. For example, the grace marks has not been given, or there is a variation in whatever marks I got and the actual answer key what I have when I cross check it. So yes, this query also has been addressed and they have told that there will be some changes which is coming up and it will be reflected by Thursday. They're asking us to wait and recheck the result again. So does it mean for everyone the result will change? No, it doesn't mean for everyone it will change, but for certain people, for where you find a lot of variation, yes, there will be corrections, else your result sticks with you. Okay, now do not get panicked even if you have got a very like high rank. So don't worry, this is just an entrance exam, another day to go. So you will go along the way and the things will start happening as it has to happen. So do not worry regarding it. Okay, so the next important aspect for you people is, sir, how do I choose my college, because I am having very less clarity on it, and what should I do and how should I go about it? That is the main reason for this particular video and I will really help you out with that particular aspect. Okay, so now let's get into the actual topic. Okay, so now here if you see, this is the KEA website whatever you have. So under this KEA website, if you go for the previous year admission, you can see PGCET 2023-2024. So if you go here and if you search for cutoff, so you can see first round cutoff. So this is what is given for MBA cutoff, and these are the college list whatever you have. Keeping this cutoff list only, we had created the article over here choosing the PGCET best colleges, and this predictor tool has been created based on that particular cutoff. Okay, as per the last year cutoff, the cutoff for this year is not still available, so I'm just keeping the last year cutoff and I'm going ahead. Okay, so for example, if you go to the MBA college predictor, and enter your rank, whatever it is, for example 79 rank, and you choose your category to be general merit, and you choose the city to be Bangalore. And if you select on find colleges, it will give you the list of colleges available for, and you can find all your required colleges over there. Now how you need to choose your colleges: some 5 to 10% above your rank and 5 to 10% below your rank you choose, in case if your rank is under 1000, and anything above 1000 just go like 20 to 25% up and 20 to 25% down above your rank and below your rank. Okay, so this is the way you need to choose. For example, if it is 79, so you need to choose 10% of 79, it is around 7.9 ranks below, so that is around like 72. From 72, whatever cutoff you have you can choose, and above 72 whatever you have, for example, you can choose whatever colleges you want. So for the students who have got under 1000 or like 1500, you can have around 10 options with you. That should be good enough. 10 options, whatever you want from your particular locality or whatever it is, you can choose that particular thing. And the main aspect over here is, in choosing the colleges, do not just go by the rankings or do not just go by the name of it. Okay, so now the important aspect over here is see certain parameters in choosing a college. The first thing, see in which locality it is first. Second, see what kind of network you have there. For example, if the alumni network over there is good, the passed out students, are they working in some top firms and all these things, you can search. Sir, how do I search it? Just go to the college website and see what they have done, what kind of placements, what kind of alumni network they have. Everything they would have posted as an article, or they would have posted as a video or a photograph or whatever it is. Check that. Then in the same website, see what kind of extracurricular activities they do have or they do conduct. So it is not only regarding the cultural activities, but also the additional activities like the renowned speakers coming to the colleges and giving you a pep talk on what is happening, how to do it, how they came to this level, and those kind of aspects you look into, and see which college has those kind of more activities coming up. The reason I am telling is, MBA and MCA is going to be more of a practical approach where you need to learn stuff. It's not going to be a classroom education. You need to understand, you need to gain that knowledge through experiences. Okay, so now you are going to be leaders in the future. So you need to have that kind of an environment in order to become this one. MBA and MCA, do not think that if I get 90% in MBA or MCA, I will get a very good job with a 12 lakh, 15 lakh package. No boss, then you are absolutely wrong. So now the reason being, the industry right now is looking for people who can have certain skills with them, not only the degree percentage or whatever it is. So just don't go with degree percentage, look into all these aspects also. Okay, the last thing what you need to look is the placements. How are the companies, what kind of companies are coming, how are they choosing the candidates, and all these things. Now how to do all these things? First things, go to the website and see. After you shortlist the colleges, check the websites and look into the aspects. Once you finalize that, then mark it as 1 2 3 4 as per your convenience. Once that is done, then try to visit at least 3 to 4 colleges among it and have a talk with the students directly over there and see what is happening. Because until you understand what is happening in the ground level, you cannot take a call. So now you don't tell, sir, I am at some different location, I want to choose in some different location. Then please ask your friend to go there and visit and tell you the review regarding it. At least have a talk with some 1 or 2 students over there and understand what is happening. The reason I'm telling is, once you choose, it is done. You cannot go back and you cannot argue, you cannot ask for refund, you cannot do anything else. So before you choose, make a collective call. Okay, so this is the first thing. So now you will tell, sir, the counseling is around the bush, so like how to do it. then do the basic research and understand about the college. At least you'll have 10 days of time. So do the understanding and research accordingly. That should help you out. Okay. And coming to the next important part, not only about your degree. At this point of time, you require something called as skills. Skills. So without skills, don't think that every company will start accepting you and they are going to give you some kind of job or whatever it is. No, boss. At this point of time, it is more of something like you need to have the right skills in order to get the right opening. Example, if you are in MBA or MCA, so in MBA they are looking for certain project management skills and certain kind of storytelling techniques, or at least something like your presentation skills, basic stuff. And if you are going very specific according to specialization, then they will be looking into something like your technical aspect also. For example, if you can understand Excel A to Z, or if you know SAP, or if you know something like your Zoho books in case if you're finance, or at least if you know something like a data analytics tool if you're into business analytics. So many more things. And for the MCA, the similar level, you need to know cybersecurity, or you need to know something like front-end development, back-end development, blockchain, many more. The things are enormous in the market and you need to identify what you need to learn. The way you need to identify it is very simple. Just be on LinkedIn and be more active on it and start sending requests to people of your similar interest and connect with them and understand what you would like to learn in the end of 2 years. By 2 years, you should be completing at least 4 skills. That is my opinion. The call is yours. Okay. So now an exclusive video on the skill development will be coming up shortly in a day or two. It is ready. I am just editing it out. So once it is out, yes, you can have a broader perspective of what is happening and how to choose it. Okay. So this video was basically to enlighten you people of what's happening around the PGCET and how to go about the college selection and everything. Hope this video has made some sense to you and you had gained some knowledge out of it. In that case, I would just let you know to do subscribe the channel and share this video to many people so that they are getting enlightened out of it. Okay. And in case if you are starting your preparation for PGCET 2025, look no further. We are starting the batches for this year in this October. So do get registered or let your friends to get registered soon. And this program is going to be very exclusive and we are bringing up with a lot of wonderful new content. So stay tuned. A lot of new updates and exciting updates coming up your way. So until next time, take care. Bye. See you.